Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we are going to start with class 9 geography chapter 1 India size and location. As the name suggests, in this chapter we are going to study the basic details, what is the size of India, where it is located and many more things. Many of you may feel the chapter is only about knowing latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India and nothing else. So, children, let me tell you this is a very important chapter because the other chapters are based on this chapter. And if you are thorough with this, then the things will become easier for you in future. Standard 8 geography was quite different compared to class 9 because here you have to understand many mechanical phenomena like if a certain thing is taking place on the earth, then how it is happening. India is one of the ancient civilizations of the world. Like if you talk about Harappan civilization, Mohenjo-daro or Vedic civilization, these comes under world's ancient civilizations. If we talk about India, during 50 to 60 years, there have been many socio-economic developments that has taken place and shown progress in many fields, mainly agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India also has significant contribution in making of world history. Let us learn about the location of India. Students, the earth is so big in size that it is difficult to tell the location of any place on the earth. And so, long back, a Greek philosopher and mathematician, Eratosthenes, came up with the latitudes and longitudes. The spinning of the earth on its axis provides two naturally fixed points, and those are North Pole and South Pole. When you see any globe, it will show you horizontal and vertical lines which run east west and north south. And together they make up the Earth's grid system. It is also known as the geographical grid. These lines are used to find the exact location of a place on the Earth. The north south lines are known as meridians of longitude. These are half circles which meet at north and south pole, and these are 360 in number. 0-degree meridian and 180-degree meridian divides the earth vertically into eastern and western hemisphere. The east-west lines are parallels of latitude. So, what are latitudes? It is the angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. Equator is the line that divides the earth horizontally into northern and southern hemisphere. There are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 in the southern hemisphere. Every parallel of latitude is a circle. All these lines are imaginary lines and does not exist physically on the earth. Equator is the line which divides the earth in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So the countries which lie above this 0-degree or equator, we say that they belong to northern hemisphere, and countries that are below the 0 degrees, we say that they belong to the southern hemisphere. So, we can see that India lies in the northern hemisphere. Let us see through a map. India's mainland extends from here till here, that is from 8 degrees 4 minutes north latitude till 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. Now let us see the longitudinal extent of India. It is 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. Children, you can see we are mentioning E, that is east. If you remember, as 0 degree latitude is dividing Earth into northern and southern hemisphere, the 0 degree longitude, which we also call as prime meridian, divides the Earth into eastern and western hemisphere. So all the countries that lies to the east of the prime meridian are eastern countries, and countries lying to the west of prime meridian like USA are called western countries. So accordingly, India lies to the east. If you see the longitudinal extent of India, it starts from this point of Gujarat till this point of Arunachal Pradesh, and the longitudes are from 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degrees 25 minutes east. So, we have seen longitudinal and latitudinal extent of India. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 30 minutes north, divides the country into almost two equal parts. Let us see in this map. You can see this line is going from here till here, and it passes through 8 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. This you need to remember, children, because there are many questions which are asked on this. Now, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Islands both are part of India. So you see, Andaman and Nicobar Island lie to the southeast of the mainland in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep is in the southwest in Arabian Sea. So children, you have to remember where is Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. So, in this video, we have learned about the location of India. In the next video, we will start with the size of India. Thank you, children.